My job. I love my job. I love it. I love it more and more each day. I love my boss. He's the best. I love his boss. All the best. I love my office and I love the nation. I hate how to go on vacation. I love my furniture, brown and gray, and piles of paper that grow each day. I think my job is serious well. There's nothing else I love so well. I love the work among my peers. I love their relationships and sneers. I love my computer and software. I love all their computers. I love the software and every file. I love them more than they will for a while. I'm happy to be here. I am. I'm happy to sleep in the family. I am. I love these words. I love these chores. I love the meetings and the big wars. I love this job. I'll say it again. I even love those friendly men. Those friendly men who come today thinking my boy take me away.